अस्सलाम वालेकुम हुजूर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
मेरा नाम सबाख उद्दीन अहमद है। हुजूर, my question is, as a waqf now, how do we get rid of laziness?
How can we get rid of laziness? Determination.
Yes, Huzoor.
With determination.
Yes, Huzoor.
You make it a point that you are not going to be lazy. Make a plan, daily chart, that you have to get up early in the morning for Fajr prayer. And ask your parents to wake you up for Fajr prayer. Right?
Yes, Huzoor.
And you can also use your own phone alarm or clock alarm, so that you also get up early in the morning. And then after offering Fajr prayer, you recite the Holy Quran at least 2-3 rakus. And then
Yes,
also in the prayer you pray to Allah Ta'ala that He removes your laziness. Then make a chart that this is the work you are going to do during the day, and follow that plan, right? That program.
Yes,
if you follow for 1 week, then in this way you can remove your laziness. And the foremost thing is determination. You must say that you have to remove your laziness, you have to get rid of your laziness. Right?
Yes, Huzoor.
Okay. It is up to, if you know you are lazy, then you can easily, if you know your disease, you can take measures against that disease. But no other person can help you in this regard. You yourself have to take that. Doctor can only prescribe medicine, but he cannot put medicine in your mouth forcefully, right? So
Yes, Huzoor.
you have to get your treatment by yourself, right?
Yes, Huzoor.
Offer 5 times daily prayers on time and pray to Allah Ta'ala that He remove all your laziness.